Right. My mama do that same shit. She always take off her glasses before she take a picture or something. Wait, I didn't start. Oh, yeah, it did.
Alright. What
she about to do the cinnamon challenge. Oh.
Nigga.
Alright. Damn, all on my printer. Now you better flatten that shit out. That's not a lot.
Nigga, it's all on the printer.
No, you need to take all of that.
Nigga, I'm not taking all of that, nigga. I'm cheating.
Oh, fuck, your battery low. Alright, go. You drink. Don't spill that shit. You know, you cleaned up all that cinnamon.
Bitch, you doing this after.
Swallow it. You can't swallow, it gets stuck in your throat. Bitch is spilling and shit. Coming out of her shoes and everything. That's a shitty toilet. Your breath smell hella hot. Look at your teeth. My sink.
Nigga.
You drinking faucet water. Bitch, you had a whole thing of juice in there.
Believe me, bitch, I'ma drink it.
Quick. Flush the toilet.